Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. Welcome to the Oxford Group of Institution. My dear friends, as we know, the man, one who is not touched with the modern era, he is considered as the nomadic. We know very well the nomadic life, in a sense, the life where there is no idea about the surrounding things. Whereas the Oxford Group of Institution, it is becoming a much modernized one in this modern era. My dear children, I feel an immense pleasure to inform you all, Oxford Group of Institution is introducing a new app for the beneficial of all the students. You can search out this app in the Play Store also with the name of Oxford Patils Nagarbetta. This app specially meant for online classes, online tests and other sources. My dear children, as you can see on the panel of laptop, there is a statement about the crash course. So it is nothing but a batch name. The moment when you are downloading this app, you can find there will be our school logo. So after that, when you are entering into the app, there will be various options which will ask you which batch you are going to be selected. So you need to select or you need to click on the batch after the batch of yours. Either it may be the crash course batch or it may be +1, +2, S1, S2, whatever. So after selecting the batch, next on the mobile panel of yours, this type of the page will open. Then first we can find overview. Overview, this is the page which is explaining about entire the page matter of the app. The next you can find attendance. In this app we can find about attendance of the student at present. I mean to say, for this day, what is the attendance of the student? Out of 100, it may be the 50, it may be 95 or it may be 100. That we can understand. Then afterwards, we can find students. So in this students list, we can find, as you can notice that there are number of students names. So which are the students are joined in this group and which are the students are taking the utilization of their online classes and the app, that you can notice. After the students, next we can find assignment. This assignment, it is explaining about the work which the teachers are assigning to you. What you need to do in this assignments or as a homework, what we can call for the small children or for the up to the 10th standard students. After the 10th, the PU level students will get assignments. What are the works you need to do, that all the things the teachers will send you through this app and you can reply the teacher after textual or after writing down the things in the same assignment page. After the assignment, we can go to the announcement, which is most important for the lecturers. Here, in case if the class is not going to be run, or if the class is cancelled, or if the lecturer want to take extra class, so he can or that she can give a proper announcement through the app, so that every student or so that you people can listen and understand about the schedule of the classes. It can be possible only for the lecturers. Next we can find test. So in this test, my dear students, you can get in this test you can get various number of options. There will be the first point which is asking you about assigned test, which we teachers can do. After that, there will be the 3 different sort of options. So out of 3, which test you are going to write, that you need to click out. For suppose first option will be online test, whether you are writing online test or the offline test, that you can make confirmation. Then practice test, this practice test will not be, it is nothing but it is an offline test. Then class test. So, these are the 3 different categories of the test will be there. Out of these 3, any one you can select. Suppose if I am selecting online test, then I am going to appear exams online itself. There will be a particular time cutoff, and suppose 1 hour time it may be there, or the 2 hour time it may be there. Right now, if the time is 9 o'clock, then at 10 o'clock the paper need to finish. The teachers are going to marginalize the time, and after the 1 hour, the time itself it will get over, your question paper will be get closed, and whatever your answer sheet will be there, that answer sheet automatically it will be submitted to the teacher itself. You can write this online test through the app itself. There will be the 4 different options like as A, B, C, D, bubbling options will be there. Whichever the correct answer will be there, that you can bubble it out. So, your answers soon after 1 hour it will go to the teacher. After the online, after the test, next we can go to the videos, where the teachers can, you can have a glance over the laptop, where the teachers can upload the videos whatever they have made for you. It may be the online class videos, they can record and send you back, or it may be the offline class videos, they can record and send you back, or else any sources or any resource persons videos it may be there, that all the things they can send you. For everything of all this, for the announcement, for assignment, for the attendance of student, for the video classes, for the test, you will get notification from the app itself. Afterwards, you can get live classes. So, if you are after downloading the app and all, directly if you are coming to the live classes, you need to be enroll yourself. After your enrollment, a message will go to the teacher or the particular lecturer. One will be online on that particular time. So, that message will confirm the lecture that the student is waiting for your lecture. Then the lecturer will accept your enrollment, then you will be online. So, you can listen or you can learn the class of the lecture online. Then you can find study material. After finishing the classes, if the teacher or the lecturer wants to give some more information to you about the particular topic which he is teaching, that he can send in the column called study material. That can be the most useful. You can take a printout of the study material for your reading purpose, or else you can go through the mobile panel itself. Then at lastly, settings, which is not important for you. So, my dear children, hope you understood about the concept. So, please download the app called Oxford Patils Nagarbetta. So, Patils, don't put apostrophe, put plural form only, Patils, Patils. Then this app is even available in the Play Store also. Download it and utilize the knowledge of the lecture. Thank you.